Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun short video, I want to announce to you guys that I'm once again going to be doing an Ask Me Anything session, more commonly known as an AMA session over here on the YouTube channel in a future Wednesday video. And if you do not know what that is where you guys, my followers and subscribers, have the opportunity to ask me questions, and I'll pick the camera back up in a few weeks on another Wednesday video and let my long hair down and just answer some viewer submitted questions. I've not done one of these in around a year and a half, and I'm really looking forward to it and looking forward to the questions. And again, I'm going to give it a couple weeks before we pick the camera back up, and if it's too cold out here in the workshop, we will take the tripod into the train room and set up in there and hunker down, and I'll answer the viewer submitted questions. One thing I ask is that you leave all of the questions down in the comments of this video alone, not on my other videos as we go forward in the weeks. That way I'm not trying to run around trying to find them, and I'll pick the best 15 or 20 questions if I even get that many. Hopefully I do. You guys know I'm pretty much an open book, and I will credit everyone on the channel for what question they ask and everything. And it does not have to be about woodworking. I know that's primarily what it is all going to be about, will be the woodworking, but you can also ask me stuff about the model trains, my Hot Wheels collections, other things I like to collect, places I like to go, other YouTubers I like to watch other than woodworking YouTubers, just things like that. And I'm pretty much an open book. Places I like to go, places I'd like to go, or things I'd like to do on the channel. And you guys can also give me ideas, but really looking forward to this. Like I said, it's been about a year and a half since I've done one of these, and I've gained so many new subscribers in the intervening time since I've done the last one, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I thank you all for hitting that subscribe button and following me on my social media feeds. I am sorry my voice is still a little raspy, so a few weeks will also give it time for my voice to get back to 100%, and it's just that time of year for it. But I really want to do one of these and everyone get to know me a little bit better. Like I said, I am an open book. I will go on and answer the two most common questions I get. What is the size of the workspace, and who was my first teacher that got me into woodworking? My first woodworking teacher was, of course, my grandfather. This was his workshop, and it is 12 foot wide by 24 foot long, around the size of an average car garage if you take away the heater, the wood stove in the back. And of course that is my primary source of heat here in the winter with these two little stoves behind me. It's not insulated, it's open rafters above me with a tin A-frame roof, and it's really common when it's raining, but it gets bitterly cold out here in the winter, and I can tolerate the heat a lot better than I can tolerate the cold of the winter. That's why I said if it's too cold or not practical for me to be out here to answer the questions when it's time to pick the camera back up and film the answers, we will go to the train room and do it in there. But I'm really looking forward to everything, and I'm looking forward to the question you guys ask me. So please ask away down in the comments below. We will pick up the camera here again in a few weeks. If you're new here by any chance, please subscribe to the channel and ask away as well, and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias are down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. I look forward to your amazing questions, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.